The nation's foster care system has been overwhelmed since the COVID-19 pandemic began. Reports show more children are entering the system and less families are willing to take them in due to an unstable economy coupled with the health risks of the pandemic. But where does that leave children in the foster care system who are quickly aging out?
Foster care youth meet even more challenges amid this pandemic. Foster care youth should be in foster care until age 26.
Judith Halbreich has worked in social work since the late 90s. She founded Home of Champions in 2015 as a way to connect with foster kids in the system and help them reach their full potential. According to the National Foster Youth Institute, only 3% of all foster youth end up graduating from a 4-year university, and only 50% graduate from high school. Judith says Home of Champions wants to ensure more foster youth are able to sustain themselves after foster care, but also obtain 4-year degrees.
Most importantly is to teach students that not to forget the past, but to be in the present and then to go to the future.
The impact of COVID-19 on foster care has been detrimental, specifically to former fostered college students who had to leave their college campus due to the pandemic. Many became homeless because they've aged out of foster care. In a study by fosterclub.com of over 600 former fostered youth, 23 reported housing insecurity, and 1 out of 5 former foster youth reported food insecurity. Because of this, Judith believes the age of discharge from foster care should be extended until age 26.
Some of them are discharged at 18, right? 1 out of 4 are homeless. 1 out of 4 are incarcerated 2 years after they leave. Kids should be in care with a plan until age 26.
Judith says with adequate training for teachers, she believes they can spot foster kids who face disadvantages. Home of Champions plans to have a 2021 virtual summit, which helps foster youth practice career-building skills to further prepare them for the future post-foster care. Reporting for BronxNet, Dorissa White.